Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Sunday, February 15, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Good morning, Alex. How are you today?
Good morning, David. I am fine, thank you. Just a little tired, I need this coffee.
Me too. I am very sleepy. The traffic was terrible this morning. There were so many cars.
I know. It is always busy in the morning. Is your coffee ready?
Yes, almost. I love this machine. It makes the best coffee in the office. So do you have a busy day today?
Yes, I have 2 meetings this morning and 1 project to finish. It is a lot of work. What about you?
I am busy too. I have to call 5 clients. Sales are important, but first we need to wake up.
Exactly. Coffee first, work later.
Hey, did you read the news this week? I saw something very interesting in the Washington Post on February 10.
I did not see it. I was very busy with the new project. What is it about?
It is about travel. They call it the Global Carbon Passport.
Oh, really? That sounds serious. What does the article say?
It says that now we have a limit for travel. We can only take 3 flights every year. If you take 4 flights, you have to pay a very big tax.
Wow, that is a big change. Is it for everyone?
Yes, for everyone. It is an international rule. The article says it starts next month. They want to stop climate change.
I understand the idea. The planet is important, but 3 flights is a small number.
I know. It is crazy. I am a sales representative. I travel for work all the time. How can I work with only 3 flights?
That is a good question. Maybe companies will pay the extra tax for employees.
I hope so, but it is very expensive. The Washington Post says the tax is 50% of the ticket price.
That is a lot of money. It will change how we do business. Maybe we will have more video calls and fewer trips.
I like video calls, but I prefer to see people face to face. It is better for sales. This news makes me a little nervous.
I understand, David. It is controversial. Many people like to travel for holidays too. Now they have to choose carefully.
Exactly. No more weekend trips to other countries. We have to stay home.
Well, it is good for the environment. But it is hard for the economy. It is a difficult situation.
Yes, it is. Speaking of difficult situations, did you see the technology news in the Boston Globe? It was on February 11.
No, I missed that one too. What happened?
It is about robots and bosses. The headline is AI managers in retail.
AI managers? You mean artificial intelligence?
Yes. The article says a big shop is changing its workers. They do not have human managers anymore.
Really? So who controls the employees?
A computer program. The employees wear a headset. The AI tells them what to do. It says go to aisle 4 or clean the floor.
That is very strange. So there is no person to talk to if you have a problem?
No. The article says the AI is very efficient. It does not get tired. It does not take coffee breaks like us.
That is a little scary. A robot boss cannot understand feelings. If an employee is sick or sad, the AI does not care.
Exactly. That is what I think. I need a human boss. I need to make jokes and talk. Imagine if our boss was a computer.
That would be terrible. Project management needs human thinking. Computers are fast, but they are not creative.
The Boston Globe says the company saves 20% of money with this system. So maybe other companies will do it too.
I hope not. I like my job. And I like talking to you at the coffee machine. A robot would not let us stand here.
You were right. The robot would say, David, go back to your desk now.
It is a very controversial topic. Technology is moving very fast, sometimes too fast.
I agree. It makes me worry about my job in the future. Maybe an AI can sell products too.
Let's not think about that now. We are still safe. We are humans and we are good at our jobs.
Yes, you are right. We are the best. But hey, I saw one more story. This one is about music and concerts. It was in USA Today on February 12.
Oh, I love music. What is the news?
It is called the No Phone Concert Law.
The no phone law? What does that mean?
It means you cannot use your mobile phone at a concert. It is now a law.
Really? So you cannot take photos or videos?
No, Nothing. When you enter the concert, they put your phone in a special bag. They lock the bag. You cannot open it until the end.
Wow, that is very strict. What do people think about it?
The article says many people are angry. They want to record their favorite songs. They want to put photos on social media.
I understand that. People like to share their memories.
Yes, I went to a concert last month. I took 50 photos. I love looking at them.
But David, think about it. Sometimes phones are annoying. You go to a concert and you only see screens. You do not see the artist.
That is true. Sometimes there are too many phones in the air.
I think I like this law. If you do not have your phone, you listen to the music. You enjoy the moment. You are present.
You are very philosophical, Alex. But what if there is an emergency? What if my wife calls me?
The article probably says there are special areas to use phones. You just have to leave the room.
Maybe. But I think it is too much control. First, the carbon passport limits my travel. Now the law takes my phone. I feel like I have no freedom.
You are funny, David. It is not that bad. It is just for the concert. It is only 2 hours without a phone.
2 hours is a long time for me. I need to check my messages.
You are addicted to your phone. That is the problem.
Maybe you are right. But USA Today says the artists are happy. They want the audience to look at them, not at a screen.
See, it is better for the art. It connects people.
I guess so. But I will miss my selfies. How will people know I was there?
You can tell them, David. You can use your words.
Haha. Very funny. You were right. It is a different world now. Everything is changing this week.
Yes. 2026 is a very interesting year. Politics, technology, culture, everything is new.
And we are just here drinking coffee.
That is the best part of the day. A quiet moment before the crazy world starts.
Speaking of the crazy world, look at the time.
Oh no. It is almost 9:15. We have been here for 15 minutes.
My boss is going to look for me. Not a robot boss, but a real one.
Yes. I have to go to my meeting. I need to prepare the documents.
Okay, Alex. It was good to talk to you. Thanks for listening to my news updates.
Thank you, David. It is always interesting. Good luck with your 5 calls.
Good luck with your meeting. Let's meet here tomorrow.
Yes, same time. Have a good day, David.
You too, Alex. See you later.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.